Hello, Wizards. Today, we're releasing a new update containing many new solutions and improvements. But mainly, today is a big day for tournament players. GTO Wizard is entering the tournament waters, and all features of GTO Wizard, including many new stack depths, are now available for MTTs, spins, and heads-up sit-and-go players. Let's break it down. Before we look at what's new in today's update, let's break down what GTO Wizard is. GTO Wizard is a very powerful tool for poker players. You can study any spot in the game from pre-flop to river with our solution browser. Use our aggregate reports to find underlying trends of all 1755 strategically different flops. Master the game by practicing against GTO with our various practice modes, which lets you customize every detail of your practice session. Upload your sessions and let our automatic hand history analyzer review your play to find your biggest leaks. It's the best way to improve quickly. But there's so much more. Explore it yourself on GTOWizard.com. Starting today, all of these features are also available to MTT, spin and go, and heads up sit and go players. You can use GTO Wizard entirely for free, but there are some limitations on how many spots you can study and practice each day. However, all pre-flop ranges in GTO Wizard are completely free. Subscribe when you're ready to take your game to the next level. There are 3 different tiers: free, starter, and premium. They differ in the features you can use and which stack depths you can study. The starter tier starts at $39 USD, and the premium tier is now exclusively sold with a 30% early bird discount starting at $69 USD per month. To see more details, go to GTOWizard.com and click on the upgrade button. There's still a lot more to come for tournament players. Please join our Discord to keep an eye on future updates, which are coming very soon. So as we said in the beginning, let's break down what's new in today's format. First and foremost, all features of GTO Wizard are now available for all major poker formats. However, we're also adding new solutions for all players. For cash game players, we've added many new preflop solutions. The 50 NL and 500 NL simple preflop solutions have been added for 50, 75, 150, and 200 big blind stack depths. Additionally, the simple preflop solutions for 100 big blinds have been added in blind versus blind without any limps, so you can simplify your strategy. The 50 and 500 NL general preflop solutions have been added for 40 and 150 big blind stack depths. Now, for MTT players, we've added post-flop solutions for various stack depths, including 17, 50, 60, 80, and 100 big blind stack depths. This includes aggregate reports for 17, 50, and 80 big blinds. For spin and go players, we've added many non-uniform post-flop solutions, especially 15 big blinds and below, which we feel are particularly useful for GG Poker Spins and PokerStars Nitro games. For heads-up sit-and-goes, we've added many post-flop solutions, especially with half-blind stacks. Besides the new solutions, we've significantly improved the analysis of analyzed hands in the hand history analyzer. All reported bugs with Party Poker, iPoker, Ignition, and PokerStars have been completely fixed. And we're also adding new supported formats for partypoker.usa. GTO Wizard now speaks Japanese and Ukrainian. Practice mode now remembers your previously used settings, so it'll never forget if you had total hand frequency or range frequency switched on. We've added a new hotkey to automatically play a new hand in practice mode. Now you can also practice ISO spots. The solution browser will always stay in your previously used view for the strategy table. We've added the pot size to the action selector in the solution browser and fixed the bug where EV wasn't normalized in the turn reports. Now the EV will always be displayed correctly. We've also improved the breakdown tab. Once you mouse over any hand in the all combos summary, it will also highlight that hand in the categories. We've improved the mobile version of GTO Wizard, mainly the practice mode and its results screen. That's all for now. Lately, we've been working on a lot of behind the scenes stuff, so you can expect more significant updates shortly. Our next update will involve a substantial update to the practice mode. Following that, we expect major improvements to the hand history analyzer. We are constantly reading your feedback and ideas for improvements, and we're implementing the majority of them, so please keep the feedback coming. To stay updated about all news in GTO Wizard, join our Discord. We wish you all a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you in the next video.